19th week, and we are talking about idioms, this time connecting to laundry. So, in English language we have found two interesting idioms: flash as a daisy, clean, tidy and full of energy; washing machine blues, the feeling of disappointment or frustration when a washing machine malfunctions. In German language, frisch wie eine Blume, similar to English. Literal translation, fresh as a flower. Clean, tidy and full of energy, similar to fresh as a daisy. Waschmaschinenfrust, washing machine frustration, the feeling of disappointment or frustration when a washing machine malfunctions, similar to English also. Later we found couple: vestis virum facent, the clothes make man, and vestis emendata mens casta, clean clothes, chaste mind. In Italian language we have idiom essere pulito come una patena, to be as clean as a whistle, to be very clean or without any flaws. In French, être propre comme un sou neuf, to be as clean as a new penny, to be very clean. Manger sur le pouce, to eat on the go, literally to. Так, one second. Okay. And Spanish language we have interesting idiom plancha y queda como nueva, iron it and it looks like new. So we have this interesting idiom. Thank you for your attention.